We have been renovating for months now, mainly functional things like plastering walls and putting up new ceilings, but we are slowly but surely moving into the pretty phase. This week we are adding color to our home, and that makes me so happy. I am so ready for this stage. But first we have to do some prepping, of course. This will be the kitchen color. We decided on that, so I think it looks nice together. I want to see it with the floor. And there will be a baseboard here, so that will be white. It's almost the same. And this is clay pale. Today we're going to do some painting. So I'm in the future kitchen right now and we're going to paint all the walls here and perhaps also a little bit of the living room, where we're going to put a color on the wall, a darker color, which we purchased yesterday. So very exciting if it's going to work or not. And on here we tried out different swatches, as you could see. And we're going for the middle one, mid clay, and very excited about that as well. We did paint over the swatches. We put white on it so that we don't see any color difference once we're going to put the paint on. So we're getting everything. It's the first time we're using this type of paint. Normally we have much cheaper paint, but I really like the color they offered, so we're just going to do it and see. Very curious about the result and if we notice anything different from a more expensive paint. So let me open that up and you can see the color. Okay, so it's a clay color. Looks really nice. So we were really in doubt whether or not we should paint this section here, because we're painting this wall and it's attached here. So, but I felt like it was part of the ceiling, so it should remain white. But now we did paint it, and now I'm thinking maybe we should also paint the ceiling, perhaps. Around the fireplace, we're going to put tiles. So we're going to paint just the upper section here, and here we're going to make a built-in cupboard with 2 old doors, which is going to be gorgeous, I think. This is the tile we're going to use. A terracotta clay tile, which is going to be gorgeous with the clay color here. And so that's going to go there.
Precies, maar eigenlijk wil ik nog wel zien of die aardvervanger groot is. Zo ja, dan moet ik wel even. Ik zou het niet weten.
Alright, so this wall behind me is the wall behind the couch in the living sitting area. And that's going to be the accent wall. So I've decided to go with a bit of a darker color, and it's going to be an experiment. I'm not sure if it will work here, but I really wanted to try it out. I tried out different swatches, color swatches, and most of us loved this color, so we're just going to do it, and if it doesn't work we can always paint over it. This time we didn't go with the expensive paint, so it doesn't really matter if it doesn't work. We probably will need to put on 2 coats, and it's perhaps nice to see the difference between the cheaper paint and the expensive paint. I really loved working with the little greeny paint. It's a dream to work with, really. It covers everything so good, and just all in one time, and it looks perfect. So I didn't really know what to expect, but now I know what you're paying for. So let's see the difference with this one. Let's open it up. It's a bit of a ochre, camel, just a touch of green in there. I really loved it with our couch, which is also in a kind of ochre color. I think it will look really warm, and that's what I want to achieve, because we already have this really light floor and we need some warmth in our house, and that's what we're going to try with this.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling. Beyond the ghost, we stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings. My home.
This one definitely needs a second layer. So that's a huge difference. It's a difference working with this paint, but eventually I think after the second layer it will be fine. And even though it's maybe a little bit darker, or not the color but the effect, than we anticipated, but I think it also adds a lot of warmth. So we'll just live with it for a little bit and see what we think. Also, this color and that color are really gorgeous together. So we have been living with our new color for a few days now, and it's really growing on me. I'm really starting to love it. It brings a lot of warmth, and I'm not the only one. The rest of the family loves it too, so that's good. But then we hung our curtains. I really don't love the combination of color there, so now we probably have to get new curtains. I'm thinking something beige, maybe like my sweater. Søren has been packing up some boxes that were still in our sitting area over there, and he put it all in these containers, so these can go to the garage. And we also ordered a new couch to make this sitting area, which is going to be the TV area, something we can use. So we'll probably have to wait another 10 weeks before the couch is here, so that will take some time. But then this sitting area will be just the place to sit by the fire, and the TV will go to the other corner. And we've already got our next project laying right there. We have to put together some more IKEA cabinets, the long ones for the built-in cabinet wall. And then all the cabinets are built finally, so that would be good. Something they have been doing in the past few days is replace all the glass in all the windows in our house, because we still had this very old double glazing, and also some windows still had just one single pane of glass, which is not very comfortable and good for your energy bill. Over here we had even a entire window put in, because over here we had a wooden pane at the bottom, so we had that taken out. And now it's just a complete window, which looks really nice and brings in quite a bit of light. So that's very nice. So let me show you a little bit of footage of how that went. So here the guys are at work to remove all the glass panes. This bar will also be removed because we didn't really see the need for it. And I think this way it looks much better and brighter. So here we have the big window I was talking about, leaving a huge hole, removing everything. And in my studio space they also made a bit of a mess. This is what it was left like in the evening. We were a bit surprised about all the mess they left behind. Going in and out with their muddy boots resulted in this, but we cleaned it up the same night, so all is well. We are very happy with the result. We will now have to add a new task to our list of things to do, which is painting all the window frames inside and outside. So that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoy my content, then don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the color of the wall. I'm very curious if you like it or not, and hope to see you next week. Bye.